Hi, my name is Kai1. Today we're going to repair this cinelog 35 from Geprc because I broke some part. This guard just snapped in half and the frame is a little bit, just lots of part moving. This what's this prop guard is gonna fall apart, and every time I just hit something, maybe a wall, and this prop will just fall apart. So I'm going to try to repair it by myself. I have no idea is it hard or not. Just take it apart and put some new parts on it. So looks like if we are going to repair these two prop guards, we need to take apart the entire road. Jeez, let's just try. Let's try to take away the motor in the prop first. Okay, so motor's off, and let's try to unscrew these, the video transmitter's door. So there's another stand over here and a little screws attached to it. So let's just try to unscrew it because I don't want to use any crazy force. So I found two more screws. So one is the radio transmitter. The screws need to unscrew it, and another screw is under this GoPro camera mount. So you need to detach this entire camera mount to get into that screws. Jeez. Okay, I changed my mind. I just found a little wrench in the original Geprc box, and I'm going to take apart this the camera, this squishy stuff instead. I'm not going to take apart this GoPro mount because this GoPro and the what's this FPV camera is connect together, so I don't want to take apart again. So let's just take apart this squishy stuff and try to put my Allen wrench inside and try to unscrew that little screws under. Okay, new progress. We detached these two little squishy damper and we have access to the screws underneath. Holy Jesus. So you need to just keep wiggle until it take apart this prop guard. Yeah, so you need to be patient because there are 15 screws before you take apart the first prop guard. Okay, take it apart. Yeah. Finally, two broken props guard off. Okay, so this is the cinelog 35 naked without prop guard. You know what? Let's just take apart the entire drone instead, because I found one of the arm is a little bit broken. The carbon fiber is a little bit going to be almost fall apart. It's just like the carbon fiber layer, and some layers are wiggling and there's a little gap in there. So I think we need to change this frame too. Never mind, let's just do it. Okay, final step. We need to desolder this XT60 power connector because it just stuck inside this frame. You cannot take it out without desoldering it. Finally, XT60 connector is off. So it's time to replace the old frame with the new frame. No, this is a new frame. Yep, it's dark outside because I went out to buy a new solder because the old solder is just like trash. You melt it once and never melt again. What the heck is this solder? Just like garbage. I mean, maybe I just need to throw it away. And this new solder, you can just melt it several times and just do your stuff. So let's keep on going. I didn't short circuit it. Great. Okay, so it's time to put it back together. hell yeah, looks brand new. New prop guards on a new frame. So if you are going to change the prop guards, you smash into the tree, you smash into the wall, you want to change one of the prop guards and the left side. So if you broke the left side of the prop guards and you want to replace it, you need to unscrew 12 screws and just take away the motors. You can take away the left side of the prop guards. But if you broke the right side of the prop guards, you need to unscrew almost the entire drone, because you need to unscrew left side and the top plate and the bottom plate and almost everything. You just take apart everything, then you can change the right side of the prop guards. Okay, so this is a Geprc cinelog 35 frame and the prop guard replacement video. So if you like this video, press like, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel to check out more video like this. If you want to watch more filmmaking stuff, check out this playlist. My name is Kai1 and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.